Hi everybody, Hassan Sharik, regulated Canadian immigration consultant, talking to all of you from the Canadian city of Mississauga. With the hope that all of you, along with your families, are doing well, in today's video, I'm going to talk about the recent draw that British Columbia has conducted, in which they've invited people from the BC Tech Pilot Program. And because this particular video is specifically about the BC Tech round of invitation, which is for people who are mostly based in Canada. So that's why I'm not doing this video in Urdu or Hindi, which most of my videos are, because the target audience is usually people in Pakistan, India, South Asian people. And for BC Tech people, it will be mostly people who are based in Canada or some other from some other countries, and they might not be speaking the South Asian language as such. So let's discuss what has happened. So 21st of April, which is yesterday, um, the British Columbia PNP, they conducted a round of invitation in which 91 invitations were issued. There are different categories under BC PNP programs. So there's the skilled worker category, the international graduate category, the express entry BC skilled worker category, the express entry BC international graduate category. Invitations were issued for all these categories, but the consideration was only tech pilot program. For those of you who don't know about BC Tech Pilot Program, so it is a program that was launched more recently, just a few years ago, by the province, wherein they have a list of priority sectors. So your NOC code should be within those specified professions. I'll tell you about the professions in a bit, and I'll share the link where you can find them as well. So you must have a job offer from an eligible employer from within the province of British Columbia within one of these fields. Previously, you were required to have a full-time job. They've changed that policy about a year ago, and now you're only required to have a job of at least 1 year. So if you have a job of 1 year from within these 29 priority occupations or sectors, you can apply for the BC pilot program, tech pilot program, under any of the categories. So you might be a skilled worker who's already in the province. You might have just finished your degree just a few months ago, or maybe just a while ago, from within the province, or you might be part of the express entry pool, and you fulfill all those requirements, but you had this kind of job offer, so you can. So let's see what are the first of all about the draw itself. So on 21st of April, when the draw was conducted, 91 invitations were issued. They were issued for all the four categories, which is skilled worker and the international graduate, the provincial, as well as for the express entry based candidates. The minimum score that was required of each category was 85. So people with an 85 score could possibly qualify in this, and the consideration was tech pilot categories only. So let's move, and let me share with you the list of professions which are under, which are eligible for the British Columbia PNP Tech Pilot. So it's a total of 29 eligible occupations. So it's telecommunication carrier managers, computer and information system managers, managers publishing motion pictures, broadcasting, and performing arts. Civil engineers is there, mechanical engineers, electrical and electronics engineers, chemical engineers, information system analysts, software engineers, computer programmers, web designers, biotechnologists, technicians in the field of electronics. There is authors, computer network technicians, editors, translators, broadcast technicians, and graphic designers and technical sales specialists. British Columbia has a very strong technology industry. So these areas are focused on the tech fields, and that's why we see this particular list of professions. So this was an update that I wanted to share with all of you. For those of you who are in Canada and who might be looking for opportunities of migrating to Canada under a PNP, or who might not be within Canada, but are, say, maybe in USA or other countries around, where you feel that you have your work experience in one of these 29 categories. You could look up for these categories, and then you can look for employers, um, apply for various jobs which are posted through the British Columbia has its own job portal as well. So you could apply through that. You could apply through the Canadian Government Job Bank. Just to mention here that my firm, we are only an immigration law consulting firm. We are not into recruitment services, so we cannot help you with a job offer. But if you write to us, we can definitely indicate to you a few of the resources where you can look for the job. But if you can apply for these jobs. These are high priority areas. There's a skill shortage, and because there is specific demand within the province of British Columbia for these jobs, so you can easily, if you have the skill set, you have a good opportunity of landing into one such job. And if you have a job within these fields for at least 1 year from a BC employer, then you can definitely submit your application for the BC PNP program, specifically under the Tech Pilot program, and you could migrate to Canada under the BC PNP. So this was an update that I wanted to share. If you have any questions or queries with regard to Canadian immigration in general and any program in specific, feel free to write to us on our firm's email address, and myself or one of my staff will get back to you and provide you with more information. That's all from my side for today. Um, Hopefully, we'll be meeting soon through a video about a Canadian immigration topic or an update. Till that time, take care.